My name is Doug Seuss, and this is my lifelong companion, friend, Bart the Bear. You're good. You may... Hello. Hello, my name is Doug Seuss, and this is my lifelong friend and companion. Bart. No. Now, get off. Get off. Hi. My name is Doug Seuss. And this is my life. No. Hello. My name is Doug Seuss. And this is my lifelong friend, Bart the Bear. You may recognize him as an actor. He might be big and strong, but he's also a cancer survivor. We want to tell you how grateful we are for the overwhelming compassion and the professional doctors and staff at the Colorado State University Animal Cancer Center. Please help us to continue to save lives. Call today. Good. Hello, my name is Doug Seuss, and this is my longtime friend, my lifelong companion, Bart the Bear. He made me big and strong. You might recognize him as an actor, but he also is a cancer survivor. We want to tell you how grateful we are for the overwhelming compassion and the professional doctors and staff at the Colorado State University Animal Cancer Center. Please help us continue to save lives. Call today. Easy. God, I squeezed my... You were biting me! Okay, whenever you want to go. God, you were biting... You bared down on my finger. Okay, let's go. You ready?
Ready, and...
Hello. My name is Doug Seuss, and this is my lifelong friend and companion, Bart the Bear. Hello. No, easy. Easy. No. God. Bart. Easy. Boy, it's hard when you're at... okay, no, wait. Okay. Easy. No. Easy. All right. How am I like? Hello, good boy. I'll wait till he's looking at the camera. How am I looking? I got stuff. Hello.
Good.
Oh, good boy. You're so... Hello. Okay, wait. All right, I never quit. Okay. Oh, okay. My name is Dipshit. I almost said that one time. I swear to God, I almost said that. You can't do that to me. You can't put that on there. Oh, okay.
No.
Easy. Hello. My name is Doug Seuss. Easy. Oh, I love you. Oh, boy. You're good. Ooh, I love you. You're so good. I see. I love you. Okay, I give you attention.
Look at me away from this.
I know it isn't any good. I try to you don't want to get in. I'm going to have to tell you to get in. I'm going to tell you. Hello. My name is Doug Seuss, and this is my lifelong friend and companion, Bart the Bear. He may be big, and he may be strong, and you might recognize him as an actor, but he's also a cancer survivor.